Hey there, car enthusiasts and curious minds. Today, we're diving into a topic that's often overlooked but can be a real game changer for your car's performance: timing belt problems. Yup, that little belt can cause some big issues if it's not working right. So, buckle up and let's get into the nitty-gritty of timing belt symptoms you might not know about but definitely should. First up, let's talk about strange noises. If your car starts making ticking or rattling sounds, it could be the timing belt. This belt controls the engine's valves, and if it's worn out or loose, it won't operate smoothly. Think of it like a drummer losing their rhythm. Everything just sounds off. For example, imagine you're at a red light and you hear a weird ticking noise from the engine. That could be your timing belt saying, "Hey, pay attention to me." Next, let's discuss engine misfires. A timing belt that's out of sync can cause your engine to misfire, meaning the fuel in the cylinder isn't igniting at the right time. This can lead to a rough ride and poor engine performance. Picture this. You're accelerating on the highway and your car feels like it's stumbling. It's not just an annoying hiccup. It's a sign that your timing belt might be slipping. Now, onto the dreaded check engine light. We all hate seeing that little orange icon light up on our dashboard. But when it does, it's crucial to get it checked out. A failing timing belt can trigger the check engine light because it affects the engine's performance and timing. It's like your car's way of waving a red flag. So, if you see that light, don't ignore it, get it checked. Another symptom to watch for is trouble starting the car. If your timing belt is broken or severely worn, the engine might not start at all. This is because the belt is crucial for synchronizing the engine's operations. Imagine trying to start your car on a cold morning and all you get is the engine cranking without actually turning over. Frustrating, right? That could be a timing belt issue. Let's not forget about oil leaks. If you notice oil leaking from the front of the motor, it could be due to a failing timing belt cover. The timing belt is protected by a cover, and if it's damaged, it can lead to oil leaking and further damage to the belt. It's like having a small cut on your skin. If left untreated, it can lead to a bigger problem. Poor fuel economy is another sign of timing belt issues. When the belt isn't working properly, the engine has to work harder, which means it uses more fuel. So, if you notice you're filling up your tank more often without any changes in your driving habits, it could be your timing belt. It's like running on a treadmill with your shoelaces untied. You're expending more energy than necessary. Another subtle but important sign is engine vibrations. When the timing belt is damaged, it can cause the engine to run unevenly, resulting in noticeable vibrations. You might feel this through the steering wheel or even in the seat. It's like sitting in a massage chair that you didn't ask for. Definitely not normal and quite uncomfortable. Lastly, let's talk about the engine stalling. If the timing belt is severely damaged or breaks, the engine can stall while driving, which is not only inconvenient but also dangerous. Imagine cruising down the road and suddenly your car loses power. That's a scenario you want to avoid at all costs. So, what can you do to avoid these timing belt issues? Regular maintenance is key. Most manufacturers recommend changing the timing belt every 60,000 to 100,000 miles, but always check your car's manual for the specific interval. And remember, it's better to be proactive than reactive when it comes to timing belts. The cost of replacing a timing belt is much less than the potential damage a broken belt can cause to your engine. There you have it, folks, the lesser-known symptoms of timing belt problems. Keep an ear out for strange noises, watch for that check engine light, and pay attention to how your car starts and runs. Being aware of these signs can save you a lot of headaches and money in the long run. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever experienced timing belt issues? What symptoms did you notice? Let's get the conversation started in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on keeping your car in top shape. Thanks for watching.